Now that we have seen the flow of the demo, let's explore how this works real time in a Salesforce instance. I quickly logged into my Salesforce instance using my username and password. What you're seeing now on the screen is the home page, which is basically the landing page of Salesforce, where you can view various reports and analytics. This dashboard, my sales dashboard, you're seeing gives me an overview of all of my sales activities. There are multiple reports over here, like the leads report, which gives me a view of leads generated from various channels and sources. I can see my pipeline, what's my closed business for this year, which accounts to prioritize, and various other reports. Now, after reviewing my dashboard and looking at the key metrics, as a salesperson, I would like to start my work with a lead which got recently created. Let's say I recently got a new lead, Chandrasekhar, and want to get a quick summary of it and want to work on that particular lead and create different kinds of tasks, log calls, and also send emails. We'll now see how, with the help of Agentforce, we can do all of these activities and entirely manage the lead journey. When I say lead journey, which includes summary of the lead, sending the emails, creating the tasks, and also logging the calls, all by just chatting with an agent. What you see here is an Agentforce Einstein bot, an autonomous AI assistant, which is basically designed to help me with my day-to-day tasks. Let's see how it can assist me. I've opened the Einstein agent and I want to get a quick summary of this particular lead, Chandrasekhar, as I mentioned before. So I'll quickly send a message to the agent saying, can you summarize the lead Chandrasekhar for me? The idea is to get a quick summary of Chandrasekhar and to get an understanding of this lead, when it got created, which company Chandrasekhar belongs to, and what is the source of this particular lead, Chandrasekhar. Now you can see the agent gives me a clear understanding of, or the summary rather, of Chandrasekhar. That Chandrasekhar is the CEO of Future India Private Limited, and it is created on 13th of January, and the source of this lead is partner. And what is the status of this lead, which is new currently, and a quick summary of the activities on this particular lead. And if I want to get more details of Mr. Chandrasekhar, I can click on the lead, where I can get the lead detail page, where I can see and review all the details of this particular lead, like address, what is the title of Chandrasekhar, and what is the rating of the lead, and other things. So now that I have a fair understanding of this lead, I want to send an introductory or a promotional email to this lead. Instead of navigating through multiple steps, I can simply ask the agent to write a professional email introducing me and also adding a certain product information in that particular email. So I've given a message, I've sent a message to the agent saying that send a promotional email introducing myself or yourself and talking about the product Small Turbine to the lead Chandrasekhar. Now let's see what the agent replies. As you can see, agent replies with a clearly drafted email with all the information I have requested for, with the subject introduction and product offering Small Turbine. Dear Chandrasekhar, I hope this email finds you well, and it introduces me that my name is Vamsi Thurega and I'm a representative of Forces. I'm reaching out to you to introduce our latest product Small Turbine, and all the information as an introductory email. And I have an option over here to quickly click the send email button, which opens the email window where I can view and see the draft of this particular email, edit if there's any changes I want to make, and quickly send this email. There's also an option to draft this email with Einstein, which is an advanced feature where I can also add more instructions to this particular email, where the Einstein or the agent itself will create this email template and reconstruct this email template with the predefined instructions given by me. Now I want to send this email. I quickly click on send. The moment I click on send, this email will be sent to this lead, Mr. Chandrasekhar. And you can also see that in the activity section over here, that this email is sent, introduction and product offering, and this email is sent to Chandrasekhar. Let's say I want to quickly create a task, on 17th of January to call Mr. Chandrasekhar and also to confirm the meeting timings, whether Chandrasekhar is available on 20th of January for a quick meeting or for a first meeting, right? So all I do is I'll quickly go to this agent, ask the agent to create a task and also to confirm the schedule for the meeting on 20th of January. So I have create a task on 17th of January with the subject call Mr. Chandrasekhar, and it quickly created a task for me without me creating task manually with a simple message to the agent. I have a task created with the subject, the date of the task, which needs to be created, which needs to be created on, and with the name and subtype and status. So this is how I can easily create tasks on Salesforce just by chatting with an agent. Now, let's say we are on 17th of January and I quickly want to call Chandrasekhar, and I spoke to Chandrasekhar and I want to capture that call log on Salesforce itself. Now, all I want to do is tell the agent that I've just spoke with Chandrasekhar and the call went well and the meeting on 20th is confirmed. So I'll just tell the agent and send this message, log a call saying it went well and the meeting on 20th is confirmed. So agent, within a matter of few seconds, creates that call log for me on this particular lead Chandrasekhar, that the status is completed because I've already spoken to Chandrasekhar, with the subject call with Chandrasekhar and the description the way I want it. The call went well and the meeting on 20th is confirmed. So this conversational way of working, just like chatting with a friend, makes managing the leads, logging calls, creating tasks, all of it very seamless. And this agent can do it from anywhere within Salesforce. And the assistant or the agent handles everything in the backend. Okay, so far we have seen how Agentforce helps me with managing my leads effectively. But as a sales rep, my responsibilities don't just end here. I also need to manage my existing accounts to ensure that I'm nurturing relationships well and work on more opportunities for growth. For example, let's take an account named Omega Inc., which I'm managing currently. I want to check a few details regarding Omega Inc., like what is the total amount of business I've closed with them, what are the open opportunities I'm still working on, and how can I stay on top of this account to manage it better. Let's dive in and see how Agentforce helps me with all of that. I'll now use the agent to get a quick summary of this account, Omega Inc. As you can see, the agent has given me a very good summary of this account, Omega Inc. Basically, I can check the opportunities I have already closed with them. What is the overview of the open opportunities? If I have any cases attached to this with this account, and a quick overview of the activities, who are the key contacts, and the recent purchases. Next, I would want to check what is the total amount of business I've already done with this customer. Let me do that. As you can see, within a matter of seconds, the agent has given me a number of total sum of all the closed won opportunities for this account. This gives me an understanding of how much revenue I've already generated with this customer. Now, as a next step, I would want to check what are the open opportunities and prioritize them by the stage, and also quickly work on those opportunities to get more business from this customer. Here you go. The agent has given me the list of opportunities which are currently open with the account Omega Inc. I can see 3 opportunities which are open at 3 different stages and close dates. Now, as a sales rep, I would want to prioritize the opportunity with the stage negotiation, while the other 2 opportunities are in the initial stages. So I would want to work on this particular opportunity, Omega Inc. New Business Inc., and see what are the activities pending and what are the action items on this particular opportunity. So I'll ask the agent to give all the tasks related to this opportunity. The agent gives a quick summary of the tasks which are associated with this opportunity. And you can see the agent already bifurcated these tasks, like what is the past task, how many tasks are already completed, what are the upcoming tasks, like I have a call scheduled on Jan 3rd, and there's a call to be scheduled on Jan 16th. There's another send letter task which is scheduled on Jan 24th. So all of these tasks are something which I would want to quickly work upon. So the agent has helped me understand these are the tasks which you have already done in the past, and these are the tasks which are upcoming for you in the future. So I will quickly start working on this and push this opportunity to closure. So that's how easily I can work on a particular account and also get more business from that account by working on the opportunities. Now that you've seen how the agent helps me with a specific account opportunity, now let's switch gears. Similarly, I can also manage my quotes and orders just as efficiently the way I've managed leads, accounts, and opportunities. Let's quickly take a look at how that works. Now, I want to quickly check what are the quotes I have in the system which I have already prepared for the customers, but which are still in the draft stage, so that I would want to work on those quotes, get it approved internally, and share it with the customers. So I'll ask the agent to give me a quick overview of the details of the quotes which are in draft stage. Here you go. The agent has given me a reply with all the quotes where the status of the quotes are in draft. So I would want to see what are the quotes I want to quickly work on, prioritize the quotes, and also send it to the internal approval and then share it with the customers. Now, as I see here, there's a quote with Baxter proposal with a subtotal of 27K, and I'd want to get a quick overview of this quotation. Yeah, the agent has given me a summary of the quote Baxter proposal with a quick quote overview that this quote is a new quote under Larry Baxter, which is an add-on business of 6K opportunity. The quote is currently in draft status and will expire on June 10th. And it also gives me the current total price of quotation, which I have prepared as a draft. So now I can quickly work on this quote, send it for an internal approval, and share it with the customer. Similarly, I can also look at all the order related to a specific customers and also manage my orders directly from Agentforce. Lauren Bailey, who is a customer, and I would want to check what are the orders which are associated with Lauren Bailey. The agent quickly checks the customer Lauren Bailey and gives me all the orders related to Lauren Bailey. So I can, if I want to have if let's say a customer calls me and talks about any order, I can quickly chat with the agent, ask the agent to quickly get me the information of all the orders which are related to this particular customer and send a message, and the agent will give me a quick reply with all the orders related to this particular customer. Let's say if a customer calls me and says that I want that order to be cancelled before it gets activated or before it gets dispatched, I can also quickly cancel the order here from the Agentforce chat itself. Let me do that. And that's how easily the order gets cancelled, with a simple message to the agent saying that please cancel the order with this particular order ID. So this is how you can easily and efficiently manage your entire sales, right from your leads to managing your accounts to managing your current pipeline like opportunities, and also manage your quotes you share with the customers, and also orders which are in the system.